worker.
You look like a student.
I get that a lot, yeah.
Okay, I see. Do you like studying?
Yes.
Okay. That's good, because I don't. Cafes are comfortable places to study in. Do you agree?
I agree.
Really?
But I usually don't choose cafe.
You choose.
Don't choose cafe.
Because
I want to read out loud, especially English text.
it's your study technique.
Yeah, so I want to learn correct pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
So that's why I usually study in my home. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think in studying a language, it's really important to listen to your own voice. Do you think daily study makes a big difference?
Yes. I think
Why?
daily study makes a big difference. This is because it is important to keep up with studying every day.
What is your major?
My major is stock investment.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
So you're interested in business marketing? Okay.
I want to be a rich person.
Oh yeah, I hope you're gonna be very rich.
Yeah.
Do you invest? Are you currently investing in stocks?
Do you invest? Yes.
Japanese stocks or American stocks?
American stocks.
Do you have a study area in your house? Or which room do you study in? Like in the living room or in your bedroom?
I like here. This position is best position.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, we don't have much time.
Thank you.